Namaskar. I understand how challenging it could be to make a healthy lifestyle when a person is really busy. In such cases, detox drinks are most easy way to rejuvenate during the workplace. That is why today I am going to give you 3 recipes as a detox drink that you can actually carry with you at work and sip on from time to time to feel really refreshed. My first recipe is lemon ginger detox water. Fill a large water bottle or jug with 1 liter of water. In this water, add 1 sliced lemon, 1 to 2 inches of fresh, thinly sliced ginger. Mint leaves are optional. If you want mint leaves, then add 2 to 3 mint leaves. Let the flavor release for at least half an hour. You can sip on this throughout the day for a refreshing experience. This drink will provide you with the rich source of antioxidant from lemon and ginger. They help you to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Mint aids in digestion and improves your gastrointestinal health. Second recipe that I am going to give you is cucumber mint detox water. Take 1 liter of water, add 1 sliced cucumber and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Infuse at least 30 minutes before drinking. This drink will provide you with hydration and essential nutrients because of the high water content of the cucumber and the digestive property of mint. Cucumber contains special polyphenol and other compounds also that will prevent you from having chronic diseases. They also have flavonoids which have anti-inflammatory properties and nicely detoxify your body. Our third recipe is green tea with lemon detox drink. You will need 1 green tea bag, 1 lemon sliced, honey if you want little sweetness, 2 to 3 fresh mint leaves, slices of 1 cucumber, 1 liter water. And now let's see how to put these things together. Brew the green tea and let it cool at the room temperature. In the water bottle or jar, add the sliced lemon, a handful of fresh mint leaves and sliced cucumber. Pour the green tea over this. Add little honey and more water. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Allow the flavor to come together at least for half an hour. Green tea is rich in catechin. It's an antioxidant which can improve your digestion and reduce any inflammation. Honey is antimicrobial and soothing. It is also good for the respiratory issues you may have. These detox drinks are not only cool and hydrating, but also help your body in natural detoxification processes. Remember, while all these detox drinks can add to your nutrition, but they are not the only solution. They need to be complemented by a healthy, well-balanced lifestyle. Make your workplace a healthy space with easy detox idea for a heavy, busy day. Try desk yoga by taking off your shoes for some time. Carry healthy lunches. Keep air purifying plants around your workstation and take a short break to walk around a bit. So always make sensible choices. Make your workplace more productive place and take care. Namaskar.